I once again would like to extend a warm welcome to all the guests from press and media who have joined us on this joyous occasion from different parts, especially from the city of Hyderabad, a city which is known for its fort, a city which is known for lakes, a city which is known for pearls, a city which is known for warmth, and above all, a city which is known for BHEL Hyderabad. We are thankful to media for continuously supporting us in various activities at Hyderabad and becoming a partner in our progress of BHEL Hyderabad, as well as our organization as a whole, which is serving to the core sectors of economy. As Mr. Vanchu explained to you, at our Hyderabad complex, we have two verticals, two divisions. One is heavy power equipment plant, HPEP. Another is project engineering and systems division. I like to explain to you regarding P&SD and the achievements which were there during the last fiscal 2011-12. Friends, P&SD has been formed with the mandate of providing end-to-end solutions to the customers of BHEL in industry and the international business segments for meeting the requirements of power and heat at EPC level. So we are the EPC arm of the company. This particular division has been formed recently and located at Hyderabad and has started as an independent business unit from the last financial year, that is 2011 and 12. It has been involved in various proposals from tendering to execution. Just to explain to you about the role of the PSD, it includes the conceptualization and engineering the solutions involving BHEL in-house products on turnkey basis, engineering and procuring the balance of plant equipment, and also undertaking the civil works and erection and commissioning of the complete projects. All these actions are crucial for securing the business for BHEL's products and systems and to effectively address the growing EPC and turnkey business in the country and the international market. I'm pleased to share with you that PSD today is involved, associated in over 80 projects spread almost all the areas in the country as well as in the international market also. And these projects cater to the different and diverse nature of requirements, including captive power plants, cogeneration systems, open and combined cycle power plant, IPPs, compressor stations. The total business volume of these projects for BHEL Corporation as a whole is of the order of rupees 10,000 crore. The list of various ongoing projects as well as the business area where we are operating in is already covered in the performance highlights which have been circulated to you. Now I like to share with you the performance highlights of this particular division during the fiscal which has ended recently 2011-12. This particular year, in fact, has been an year of capability building and enhancement and getting the future ready, because this is the first year of its operation as a full-fledged unit.